Mayekawa has been developing technologies to the natural 5 refrigerants in a wide temperature range. Each of these natural fluids has great performance in specific temperature ranges. These 5 natural working fluids are the key to reducing our global impact. CO2 is one of the natural 5 fluids which can decrease our dependency on chemicals and reduce the environmental burden on the planet's atmosphere. This is why Mayekawa developed the all-natural EcoCute. Now, let's take a look at how EcoCute works. We will look at the water heat source EcoCute as an example. When the heat source travels through the cooler, the heat is transferred to the CO2. After the heat is removed from the water and the temperature is lowered, the water now can be used for cooling applications. The heat taken from the water now travels with the CO2 to the compressor. When compressed, the CO2 will significantly increase in temperature and pressure. The compressed CO2 now travels into the cooler, where the CO2 transfers all the significant heat gains to water, making water temperatures up to 190 degrees Fahrenheit or 90 degrees Celsius. The CO2 travels back to the water cooler to repeat the process once again. Mayekawa's industrial EcoCute is environmental, especially because of these 3 characteristics. 1. Chemical refrigerant-free. 2. Lead-friendly. 3. Low in operation cost. EcoCute uses the natural CO2 as a refrigerant. The ozone layer depletion potential is 0. And the global warming potential is 1. This is more than 1,300 times smaller than a standard heat pump refrigerant. Unlike combustion equipment like gas boilers, EcoCute runs on electricity. EcoCute only produces 12 kilograms of CO2 per day. This is equivalent to 0.019% of CO2 emissions. In other words, it takes 60 trees to remove the CO2 gas produced by a gas boiler, when it takes only 1 tree to remove the CO2 gas produced by EcoCute. On average in Canada, by using the gas boiler to make 10,000 gallons of 65 degrees Celsius hot water a day, with 20-hour per day operation, the cost is $165. With EcoCute,